wanna check up, why they wanna place it? Her mind is terrible.
YouTube. I'm about to put this on. Trask. Alright, we're going to try to make this quick how-to. I'm sure everybody done seen it. I already got my air breather off of my bike. Yeah, I'm just going to cut through a few of these. I'm about to unscrew it, get it all ready to go, and then we're going to put it on. I don't think I need to show me taking it apart. But if you want to watch, I can put it on. What is this bit? It's a 964.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Had to put it on the gentle mode. Don't want to break anything. Oh, yeah, that's
Goodies. Got a new one. Heater grips. I don't know if you can see that. Let me back that up. Heater grips from Harley. Won't be putting that on yet. We waiting for something. And because I'm changing air breather. If you can see that, I know it's kind of dark in here. Hopefully you can see any of this shit. If not, we're cutting it out. All right. Whoa. I don't want to break that already. All right. All that comes apart. I guess those all come down. Oh yeah, we do have other stuff that came with it. Bolts and all that. And if you don't have one of these, get it. The magnet bowl. Hold all your stuff. I'm sure you guys have seen this already. We're going to try to do this with one hand. Or maybe not. Now this has to go on. Let's see. We're gonna wing it. I kind of think I got an idea how this works, but I should look at the instructions. That is wrong. So it's gonna be this way. That don't even look right. Does this go on here? Be right back. Let's check. Okay, figured it out. I gotta put the gasket in here, like it goes on that way. Put that thing in there, line it right up.
What do you mean by that?
All right, can't do this with one hand, but
Cap.
try to do some of it. Hopefully it's a decent angle. Get this on here. Kind of stuff it in there. That's better. Now, gotta get this flow tube thing at the top. That's where the little holes that you have in here. Put those on smooth. There we go. So this needs to face constants. Yeah, no. That's the wrong way. think it should be loose. And you got this one. Now, I might have to go get a tool and tighten this motherfucker a little more. Now I don't want to spin all the way around. Yeah, we got to take that off. Over here. So I took some of the package that came in. I'm gonna put this on top. Try to use these vice grips to turn it slightly a little bit more. All right. Now I can go get a real tool to tighten this one. Let's go get that. Get him. Shit sound like a screamer. No, this is gonna go in there. You.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
This is the finished piece. I'm just gonna fix that. Turn it slightly because that's gonna bother me. But this camera's about to die. See y'all on the next one.
I can't even be your friend no more, bro. I can't even do it. You don't mess around and force my hand.
Who are these niggas?
I cried laughing when I read it.
You know what I'm saying? like, we need to stay away from these niggas.
Trying to run a checkup, why they run a places? Her mind is terrible.